Okay, people. So here's... Fuck. What's going on, you guys? This right here is Michael Basham here. And today I'm going to teach you how to kill a dog. Yeah, that is my enemy. And I'm going to beat the living crap out of you. Here you go. Hold on, I'm going to see if I can actually see this. Hold on, people. Hold on, my peeps. I have to set the video camera right up perfectly. I got the best room in the world. That's what I think. I wonder if I got some seed through that. Boop. Lights off. Lights on. Here you go. You are going to fucking die. Pay! 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 Oh no, he's eating me. He's eating me alive. Oh no. Oh. Am I dead? I'm not dead, you fool. Oh, how dare you do it fucking backwards, don't? Oh, you get your fat ass back here. Guess that you want to be he has a villain. She's about to get jumped. Yeah. Come on. I challenge you to a duel. Let me get you video. Oh no. You gonna fight me or not? Yeah. Let me get you over here. No. Bye everyone. Like, subscribe, favorite. Bye.